Today, you will receive the blessing of the Lord, the sacred gift. Your love for each other will be binded by this God who is now looking at you with a smile. What is happening with you today is fulfilled from the very plan of the Creator.
There's a fire.
Alam mo bang 2 beses kitang minahal? Una, nung nakilala kita at nakita ko lahat ng magaganda sa'yo, dun mo ako nakuha. Pangalawa, nakita ko lahat ng imperfections mo, pero mas pinili ko pa din tanggapin at mahalin ka.
Sa mga panahon na panghihinaan ka ng loob, takot at pangamba, nandito ko para samahan ka at paalalahanan ka palagi na kaya mo yan.
Every time you see each other more than you deserve, you see each other as a gift, a sacred gift. And every time you see each other as a gift, you could not help but to say, thank you, thank you.
Here we go.
Sobrang lalim pala ng ibig sabihin ng itong kamay ng tao na to ang gusto kong pakasalan. Dahil kamay mo yung mahahawakan ko sa pagdiwang ng masasayang araw.
Madami mang pagsubok o problema ang dumating sa atin, lahat ng yan malalampasan natin. Sabi mo nga, di ba? Ang problema, kasing laki man ng barko, pero ang solusyon, kasing laki ng dagat.
Saya ako para sa'yo. I'm happy for the both of you. Sana magmahalan na kayo forever and ever. And life is not smooth as you think it is, but as long as you have each other, I love you both so much.
Huwag na out of balance na isa.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance?
Ang ganda ko, kita mo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ko eh, naging halaman ka dun eh.
The right place at the right time, two roads intertwined.
Napaka-poging groom!
And if the universe conspired some elder lives to make us human and fine, then know wherever you will be.
Lola, thank you sa pag-alaga sa amin. Simula nung nawala si Mami, sa pagtingin sa amin, magkapatid. Ngayon lang, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Gab. Thank you sa lahat.
Mag-ingat kayo, magmahalan kayo magkapatid, ha?
Nothing seems clear. You'll be safe here.
Thank you for being my daddy.
Umiiyak na, di pa naglalakad.
I love you, anak. God bless you. at more blessing to come.
Remember how we laughed then till we cried.
Nandyan ka para patawarin ako tuwing malungkot ako. Nandyan ka, handang palaging makinig tuwing may problema ako. Nandyan ka sa mga oras na pakiramdam kong mag-isa ako.
Maraming salamat dumating ka sa buhay ko. Salamat sa pagbuo ng memories kasama ako. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin, sa saya, sa lungkot, at sa mga araw na pakiramdam ko hindi ko kaya.
At gusto kong magpasalamat sa'yo dahil yung sinabi mong nandito na ako, pinanindigan mo.
It still stands.
Medji, do you take CJ here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
CJ, do you take Medji here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
It's sincere. You'll be
I promise to be faithful to you sa mga pagsubok at tagumpay sa buhay. I vow to stand by your side through all ups and downs. I promise to be your rock, your partner, and your best friend.
Alam ko madami pa tayong pagdadaan na pagsubok habang tumatanda. Pero ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Magkasama natin tutuparin lahat ng pangarap natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Higit pa sa pagkakaalam mo.
You are my everything, and I promise to love you and make you happy for all the days of my life. And as we start this new chapter in our lives, I promise to be a good parent to our Uno and to our future children. I love you so much now and forever.
Sambayanan ng Diyos, ngayon po ay masasaksihan natin ang kauna-unahang banal na halik ni CJ at Medji.
put your heart in my hands. You'll be